All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another live New York session, and it is May 12th, 2023. And it's a Friday, so we made it through another week. So we're going to be trading gold once again. So let's check the news here. As we can see, we have some prelim consumer sentiment news at 10 o'clock. This might be the type of news that might move price probably quite a bit, but maybe not as major as NFP or CPI. So if we might end up trading that if price ends up going the direction we want to go at 10 o'clock, but we'll see. So we're going to be implementing the G.S.A strategy. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on the cheat code indicator. As we can see, price currently is not sticking out of any Bollinger Bands, or it's not giving us any signals. So if we were to trade this on the 1 hour, we wouldn't initiate a trade because we don't have a clear indication to give in. So what we're going to do at this point is we're going to figure out what is the overall trend. So when we really look at the overall trend here, we can see that multiple lows has been broken. So we could say that price is overall bearish. So let's grab our trend line and draw a trend line here. And that's what we're going to put. Then we're going to go to our lower time frame, which is the 15-minute. And we're going to figure out what is the current trend. Currently, price is pushing up bullish. We had a swing low here, and we had a high broken here and a swing high. So currently, price is trending upward. So let's just draw a trend line here. And that's all we're going to focus on at this point. So now we'll erase this trend line here, and we are going to draw our trading ranges. So again, once we look at this last move, this was a last swing low, price pulled back and then pushed up, and there's the swing high. So let's go ahead and draw this up. So this is our swing low here. This is our swing high. And this is our most recent breaker structure. The price broke this high. So we're going to label this as a bullish trading range. We go swing low. The structure. Swing. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our swing low and go to the most recent swing high here. And so you see the 50% to 60% here. Price first pulled back all the way down in here, but price might do a counter trend sell from all the way down to this 50% and then go away. So we're going to put our sell zone in this area, buy zone in this area. Draw a golden zone here. All right, let's go ahead and save our progress. And then we're going to go ahead and erase this. All right. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the cheat code indicator. And we have a cheat code cell here, and it's sticking out of the Bollinger Band. So it's probably going to do a counter trend sell all the way down to here. Maybe close to this Bollinger Band, maybe stick out and then push up. So we might be able to catch that counter trend sell depending on what price lays when the 9:30 candle closes. So we'll just have to watch price action from here on out just to see what price is trying to do. So let me save my progress here. So the next thing we're going to do is, first things first, hold on, let me do this. Publish anybody here. That's good. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to actually wait for the 9:15 candle to close, which is going to be in over 9 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and plan our trades. And then from here on out, we're just going to watch price action and see what price is trying to do. Called a cheat code sell, but it's currently pushing all the way up. So you might get a huge reversal because it's really sticking out as Bollinger Bear. So it really did buy up. But we're probably just going to focus on maybe getting a counter trend sell and it gets down here. Wow, gold bought up at that point. My goodness. So yeah, we was going to have to wait for that reversal and then catch it all the way down. So we'll wait. So again, we have a little bit over 8 minutes before 9:15 candle close. So stay tuned. All right, so we got about 20 seconds before the 9:15 candle closes. So judging where price is at, price really stuck out of the Bollinger Band. So I'm looking for price to at least sell down until this Bollinger Band, or at least down into this area, and then go back up. So we can probably get a counter trend sell, possibly. So I'm going to put my risk to reward tool. First target. If it goes from here, it release this much of gold. At least for over 450 plus. If it goes down from this candle, 450 plus would be right here. Maybe down here. And then so TP1 here, which would be 450 plus points. Same thing for this one here. And we'll go all the way down to here. Okay. Down to this point, which is about 1,000 plus. Yes. That's plus there. So now what I'm going to do is just set my alerts. And then we're going to wait for the 9:30 candle to close. And then we're just going to watch price action until price decides to go this direction. Be right back. All right, so alerts has been set. So we have a little bit over 10 minutes before the 9:30 candle closes. So at around 9:29, I'm going to put in my stop loss and take profit. And then we're just going to prepare this with the price action. Then once price is ready to go, then we will take the trade. So we have a little bit over 10 minutes. So stay tuned. All right, so we have a little bit over 25 seconds before the 9:30 candle closes. So from this point forward, we're going to strictly focus on price action. Let's get ready. Five, four, three, two, one. See what happens, folks. The price crosses the HMA, and the HMA starts to push over and curve over, and that's going to be our entry point. Price is going to start getting those liquidity grabs, so you can grab all the liquidity it needs before it decides to drop. So we're just going to let them do their thing, and once they're ready to go, that's when we jump in. So we're just going to sit back and sit in our hands. Pushing up and getting that liquidity up there. For these bullish traders and thinking it's going to break out and buy some more. Trying to track it. We're going to sit on our hands and wait for a while. Price is hitting this area to get all this liquidity. That's why you got these two wicks. This is a liquidity pool here. You've got to wait for them to get all of what they want and then finally drive price the opposite direction. Still be liquidity up in this area. I can see it. This might be a bull trap. We'll see. We will see. So we have about a little bit over 7 minutes before the next candle closes. So we'll wait for that. See, he's really whipping out of this area here. Yep. Getting all that liquidity. So we are gonna wait, probably gonna wait. And we got 10 o'clock news, so that might even be a deciding factor on how deep price sells if he's going that direction. So we got a little bit over 6 minutes before the next candle closes. Price is getting that liquidity. I'm gonna wait for the next candle, the next two candles. Especially when it costs the H in that. That's when it's really gonna be time to go. So you got a little bit over 4 minutes before that happens. Just keep pushing up some more. Getting all that liquidity up in there before it decided to revert back. That's why sometimes you gotta wait. A little bit over 2 minutes before 9:45 candle. Well, less than 30, well, a little bit over 2 minutes now. So 9:45 candle closes. Wouldn't be surprised if it comes up in this area, gets more liquidity, and it finally decides to drop. Just gotta patiently wait. Price went all the way up to get that liquidity. You see this with very huge sign that it's probably more likely going to reverse. I know it's going to reverse because it's sticking out the Bollinger Band. And that's why we have to carefully watch price action. So we have about 30 seconds before the 9:45 candle closes. We got a cheat code sell. 9:45 candle has closed. We got a cheat code sell. So now we need to prepare. So depending on what price does now, or when the news hit, that's when we're gonna get it. I was driving up to get all that liquidity. See, so noise pushing up, and I'd be ready to curve over if price decides to sell. So I'm gonna get a lot of liquidity up here before it decides to drop. Really buying up. It's like he's about to get all this liquidity up here in the dark. I wouldn't be surprised if price decides to start reversing in the 10 o'clock candle, 10 o'clock news here. Wouldn't be surprised if that's going to be the deciding factor. Really buying up and doing this liquidity up in here. Okay. Market is really over this. That's what I'm going with. Because even though I could have bought it all the way up to here, could have reversed any time, it would have been too risky. So sometimes we have to sit around here and then wait. So we have a little bit over 11 minutes before the news candle here. This was a huge liquidity grab move here as it was wood. Would have been a nice piece of news for a buy, but you would have had to know when to get out, or you would have got caught in this liquidity grab and would have got into some drawdown. We have less than 10 minutes before the news candle hit. So So we're struggling to go up in that area. It's getting out of the this was bad. No, still wicking out. We have 7 minutes to the news candle here. So we got less than 6 minutes now. We got a little bit over 4 minutes now. sometimes on certain occasions, sometimes price don't really move in its true direction until after 10 o'clock. So we got less than 4 minutes now. So we have a little bit over 2 minutes left. So we got less than a minute left now. Let's see on the next candle, price finally reverses and go down. It's really sticking out as bold as again. We'll see. You want to watch this very carefully. Now we're looking at a little bit over 20 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Let's see what this next candle does. It was sold down quick. And now it's bouncing on that area. It looks like it's selling. So I'm going to execute my trade. Hopefully it doesn't go to see. Too much. We'll see if I made the right decision. If you take a loss is okay. I should have waited. Yeah, let me close it. Let's with that. Boom. Close this. I can sell them. Hold on. Stay with that. We're gonna see that. Watching this price action and learning how to dig and draw down. Price action. Market funds ready to shift down. You'll see. Couple minutes here. So let's see, good here. One of the lessons I learned today is not go too fast. Stay working at it. Come on, man. Come on. First, get the bill to draw down. No. So let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right. There we go. 45, 50, 50, 50. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 50, 50, 58. Okay. Close my first partial trade at $46. I'm gonna close $3. So I made a total of $50 today on that sale. Yeah. So we got it in. And price did sell. It did. So I went for a total of, let's see, really good from here. 3 under, maybe 2 points. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and document my results. So there goes that cell. Boom. I'm gonna document my results and then I'm gonna share it with you and then I'm gonna wrap it up. Be right back. Results have been documented, so I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. So this is my live account for NDFX. And $51 profit on the first partial trade and over $3 profit. So after they took out charges, $50.58 I made in that trade. So price did sell. It was reversed, it was outside the Bollinger Band. It looks like price is still selling. Yep, it looks like the HMA is starting to curve red. So it's probably going to sell all the way down to this structure. Let me do something here. I'm gonna put in the trade on my demo account, see how far it goes. Put a trade in my demo account. And then let's see. So yeah, so price might still continue to sell. But yep, we did good on this live session, so we had a good trading week. So I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye.